You go over to China.
Hey, buddy.
I can't play it. It's hard. Oh. It's so hard to play it. Oh, man.
China.
Oh, my God.
I have a great relationship with the Mexican people.
He keeps lying. That's the reason why I'm messing
They
up.
gave me a small loan of $1 million.
Okay, that was the truth. I can't get past the first part. Your head is so huge. I did it. Oh. Oh, fuck this game. What? I didn't even touch it.
So he can get up.
One more time. No. Okay, one more time. One more time right here. Oh, I'm done.
Introducing the distractible course built to test conversation, an available suite of safety